That you got a bit of an insider view of this event that we had called the Global Prosperity Pitch. This was a presentation done by our undergraduate students, and the best part is that it supported our applied learning model. So oftentimes when we teach, we see that exuberance among the students to actually look at the world and the possibilities that they have in the future to relocate, to run their businesses. So then we just had this idea that, the students and me, that let's make it the most practical. So they would actually think in terms of if they were to relocate to another country. And for the youngsters, always sustainability is an aspect. So the economic aspects as well as sustainability, those two pitches they had. And we're so happy to see the kind of work that they have done, the kind of engagement that they're having with audiences. And at the end of the day, it gives them a better idea about what they're learning in the classroom. So I'm happy that the outcomes basically are applied learning, individualistic view, but also group work. And of course, the biggest element was creativity. I do like this idea that as a person, I'm a global citizen. So not so much as to relocate to another country, but yes, I always encourage my students also that if given the opportunity, move. Experience different countries, experience life in different countries. Teams have done a wonderful job in terms of projecting not just the sustainability, but also the macroeconomic factors. So I'm actually so happy that they had the right spirit despite their busy timetable. They've put their 100%.